So guys, I found out on forums that a lot of you are facing the same issue as me, and I haven't seen any solution, like 100% sure solution how to fix that. So I had to figure out everything myself. So let me show you what's the problem, what's causing the issue. So when I press the passenger's button for the heated seat, it works. It comes on and it stays. I can switch between the levels and it's everything okay. Well, when I go to my one, it comes on for a little while and then goes off straight away, and it doesn't work at all. Swap it out with the passenger seat one, and that way we can make sure that this causes our issue. So let's go and jump into it. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet wrench, a T50 Torx bit, and an extension bar. It's not necessary, but it's very good to have. So the seat is held by 4 screws. In order to get access to these screws, we just need to lift the seat in the highest position as we can, and then unscrew the front 2 screws, then move the seat slightly forward to have a reach or have access to the rear bolts, unscrew them, and the next we just want to flip the seat. We don't even need to take this one out to reach to the module itself, and then we will use the screwdriver to take out the module itself to swap with another one. Pop this one out from the bracket, disconnect the connection and swap with a different one, and we check if it solved our problem. So let's do it. Out the passenger heated seat module to see if we can solve the issue with that one. That way we can be sure that that's causing the issue. So we are going to put back the passenger seats one to our driver's seat, and then put the key to the ignition, turn it on, just the ignition, or you can turn on the car as well, doesn't matter, and press the button, and let's see if it stays on or goes off again. This way we can make sure that this is causing our issue. Insert the key, turn on the ignition, turn off the music. It's not necessary, obviously. And now let's see if it works. So press the button, wait for a couple seconds. Okay, it stays on. You can now adjust the levels as wished. So you can go online, browse the internet, buy another module for yourself, put it back underneath the seat, and you saved a lot of money for yourself. So thank you for watching, stay humble and take care, bye.